What is a chain hook? How do I use it? Where do I buy one? Well, you could get it off of eBay, but why not make your own? We'll show you how. All you need are some long nose pliers. You can use either an old spoke, or if you don't have that around, one of these brass colored coat hangers from the dry cleaners. Go ahead and cut yourself about a 4-inch to 4.5-inch piece. Turn the ends up a little bit more than 90 degrees. Now we have our chain hook. When removing or replacing a chain, have the chain on the smallest chain ring and smallest cog. Using our chain hook, we can decrease the tension on the chain and make it very easy to remove or install a new rivet in the chain. If we're using a master link or so-called power link, using our chain hook makes it a whole lot easier to remove that particular master link. Finally, if you don't make it too long and you have a multi-tool with a good chain tool on it, this fits very nicely right in your saddlebag. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Please subscribe so you can stay informed when our next video is posted. Safe cycling.